Hello everyone, my name is Alessia and on this channel, me and the guys discuss tips and tricks on how to find and meet foreign girls. European, American, Russian and Australian women, it doesn't matter what you're looking for, you will definitely be successful. Chats can be studied forever. Each is unique. Today's topic is law and order. Which chatting laws can be violated and which cannot? You will find out now. If you're interested in this topic, support our video blog, hit like, hit the bell and subscribe. And I start. Here we go. Example 1. Creative. The guy came up with a compliment, simulated the development of events and did it in his favor. The girl liked it. A kind of guardian guy who will keep her out of trouble. Hello. I'm in trouble because of you. What kind? Since I saw your photos, I think about you more than I should. This is prohibited by the law. Nobody has arrested me yet. If anything, I'm ready to protect you anyway, and we will flee to Mexico. Interesting suggestion. Let's drink tequila and hide from the law. What if you were a spy for the special services and then turn me over? If you give me a number, I will prove that I'm not. Okay. Girls love wit, creativity, and the ability to protect and preserve in guys. In this imaginary situation, they, like Bonnie and Clyde, would be happy. Bingo! Example number 2. Bragging. I told you in the episode about good photos that you should not show off your wealth. Girls are annoyed and frightened off by this. The guy has his car on his avatar, which suggests that he considers it to be his main value. Plus, not a single compliment, only compliments to myself. I have a business, a house, a car, I'm completely stuffed. As a result, the girl immediately realizes that they are not on their way. Hello, do you like driving a car? Hello? Well, yes. Super, I have Tesla. Do you want me to give a ride here sometime? Yes, I can see from your avatar that you have this car. And not only, I have my own house and a business. With me, you will have many opportunities. I don't value people for finance. The main thing is that the person is good. What good does an unsecured guy have to offer? You and I have different values. Sorry, bye. Do not flaunt everything. Gadgets, cars, watches. Girls, on the other hand, appreciate the fact that you don't really attach importance to your money. Do you think girls are tempted by wealth? Right, I think some are tempted, but they have a certain kind of job. At this point, I will probably finish. How do you like examples? Share your impressions under this video and also send me your chats for anonymous analysis. I'll tell you where you were cool and where you should work on the mistakes. You owe me a subscription, a like, and a bell. You do not mind, do you?